Okay, welcome to week 26. We're still finishing up. There's some really cool things that can be done in PowerPoint. I mean, we're animating, we're going to play a Jeopardy game. There's a few things, but there's also some graphic things that would make your presentations better. It's great to learn all of this stuff, but if you don't realize what you can do with it and how it can make a difference in your projects, it's not really going to benefit you. So what we're going to do this week is assignment 1. We're going to work on our organization. You have to take and put all of your assignments on OneDrive, take a screenshot, and submit the screenshot. If you go to your before you begin, there is your checklist here, and it's like it always is. We've got Monday and Wednesday as our live. We have 3 assignments. This week it's vocabulary. And like I said, assignment 1 is about organization. I walk you through how to do it. If you're new and you haven't created your folders yet, that's fine. You can follow along and it will help you. Assignment 2, we're showing you a little bit more about graphics that can be done in PowerPoint and how you can make it a little bit more interesting the next time you have to do some kind of presentation. So we're going to be doing a PowerPoint about the order of operations. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which I'm hoping that most of you or all of you know what that is. But if not, that's the order of operations, and you're going to have a presentation that will show that. And then the last one is there are 2 different games for you to learn your vocabulary, and then you take the quiz. There is a new type of game on here, so please watch the video if you get really confused, because it's on something that I found online just to make something a little bit different to help you out. And if not, I will do this on Monday at 11, and you can ask questions, and if not, please message me and we'll get it taken care of. And if I don't hear from you, I hope you have a great week, and I hope to see you soon.